Imagine sitting by the fire. No thermostat, no electric heater, just the deep, steady warmth of a crackling stove. And, the smell of burning oak. The Amish have been heating their homes this way for centuries. No gas, no electricity, and yet, their living rooms stay warm, cozy, and full of life, even in freezing winters. Let's step inside and see how they do it. In a modern world obsessed with comfort at the push of a button, the Amish do things differently. No forced air, no heating bills, but their homes are still warm, deeply warm. This isn't just about firewood, it's about design, discipline, and a mindset built on self-sufficiency. Today, we'll explore how the Amish heat their living rooms through tradition, smart building, and the power of community. The Amish don't plug in. Their way of life rejects modern conveniences, not out of stubbornness but out of values. For them, electricity represents dependency. So when it comes to heating, they rely on time-tested tools and materials: wood, coal, cast iron, and clever planning. At the heart of almost every Amish living room is a wood-burning stove, heavy, black, simple. It radiates heat in every direction and honestly can warm multiple rooms from a central location. But this isn't just a fireplace, it's really, a lifeline. Families gather around it, they dry clothes near it, sometimes they even cook right on top of it. Amish families, well, they plan ahead. Every spring and summer they chop, split, and stack cords of hardwood, often oak, maple, or ash. The wood is air-dried for 6 to 12 months in covered sheds. By winter it's bone-dry and burned slow and hot. Nothing is wasted. Even bark is used as kindling. Coal is also used in some communities, stored in bins outside and shoveled into special stoves with a longer burn time. It's not just about creating heat, it's about keeping the heat in. Amish homes are often built with thick, insulated walls, minimal windows on the cold side of the house, and heavy curtains to block drafts. Rugs cover floors to add warmth, and doors are sealed tight. Unlike modern homes where, every room is heated equally, the Amish focus on heating just one main area, usually the living room. Bedrooms stay cool, sometimes even freezing. But thick handmade quilts, layered clothing, and sharing beds with siblings or family keep everyone warm enough to sleep. This focused approach means less fuel is used, and no heat is wasted. The stove isn't just a heater, it's a cooking surface, a drying rack, a warming station. Families place pots of stew on top, hang wet clothes nearby, and warm blankets before bed. Every flicker of fire is put to use. It's a level of practicality and resourcefulness that, honestly, modern life often forgets. Living with an open flame means being constantly alert. Ashes are cleaned out daily. Wood is stacked carefully, not too close to catch a spark but close enough for easy access. Children are taught fire safety young. Stoves are often surrounded by tile or metal to prevent accidents. There's no set it and forget it. Heat is earned, and it's respected. To the Amish, warmth goes beyond temperature. It's about togetherness. Families gather around the stove to read, sing, share stories, and pray. There's no television or screens, just real connection. The stove isn't just a heater, it's a hearth, in the truest sense of the word. Most people today rely on gas lines, oil deliveries, or electric heating, all of which can fail during storms or shortages. The Amish, they rely on what's already around them: wood, skill, and preparation. Their homes don't just stay warm, they feel warm, alive with effort and intention. So the next time you feel your heater kick on, think of the Amish, stacking firewood, lighting stoves, and keeping their families warm through generations of wisdom and discipline. Would you try heating your home like this? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this inspiring, please like and subscribe for more old world insights that still matter today.